Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to solve iPhone storage full problem. To free up space on an iPhone when storage is full, try the following methods. First method, check storage usage. Go to the Settings, General, iPhone Storage to see which apps and data are using the most space. This can help you decide what to delete or offload. Next method, optimize photo storage. Go to Settings, Photos, optimize iPhone storage. This keeps smaller versions of photos on your iPhone and stores full resolution versions in iCloud. Now, open the Photos app and delete photos and videos you no longer need. Remember to go to Recently Deleted and empty it to free up space. Another method, remove unused apps. In iPhone storage, you'll see an option to offload unused apps, which will remove apps you don't use but keep the data if you want to install later. Next method, clear Safari cache. Go to Settings, Safari, then tap Clear History and Website Data to free up some space used by browser data, and tap on Clear History. Last method, delete old messages and attachments. Go to Settings, Messages, Keep Messages and select 30 days or 1 year to automatically delete old messages. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.